Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, February the 12th, 2022. And as you can notice, my voice is back. It's back. Yes, my voice. I have no troubles with my voice anymore. Okay, two puzzles are left. The first one I've already solved, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, it seems this one has 4 stars. Alright. Two puzzles left, the binary and the tectonic. In today's newspaper of Saturday, February 12th, 2022. Yeah. Let's continue with the binary puzzle number 4118. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Well. How about? I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Well. 3. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Maybe I overlook something. Well, if you compare with this row, column and that column, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, empty box, O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Okay, we have an O here. This cannot be an O, should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, and now, 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, yeah, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, there should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. And I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Yeah. Same for this column. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. I do not know in which order the O and the 1. Okay, so we have the first O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Interesting. Maybe I need to compare. For example, this column, yeah. Yeah. This column and the last column. Okay, let me compare the 1, 1, the 0, 0, the 1, 1, the 0, 0, empty box, the 1, 1, empty box, the 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow. Surprising, yes. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle in this additional for today. 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.